if you're wondering which version of the Haakaa to get, then maybe this video can help you. Here I have the Haakaa Gen 2 and the Haakaa Gen 3. I don't have Gen 1 with me, but it looks just like Gen 2 without the suction base. And with all three generations of the Haakaa, they work the same way. You would have your baby feeding on one side, or you could just be pumping on one side, and you suction the Haakaa on the other side to collect any let down milk that would have gone to waste. The Gen 2 comes in 100 ml and 210 ml. The one I have here is the smaller version, it's the 100 ml version. And the Gen 3 comes in 160 ml and 250 ml. The one I have here is the larger one, the 250 ml version. So I'm not making a really fair comparison between the two when it comes to sizes, because I have the smaller Gen 2 and the larger Gen 3. If I had the smaller Gen 3, it would probably be up to here. And you can see that Gen 3 is still larger than Gen 2 because Gen 3 comes in larger sizes and because they have these extra parts. So when it comes to deciding which version to get, I guess that really depends on what you intend to do with the milk that you've collected in your Haakaa. I know that's a really tricky question to answer if you're brand new to breastfeeding. But with me, my baby gets enough milk from direct latching. So the extra milk that I've collected in the Haakaa, I keep in the freezer. I pour them into the Ziploc bags and keep them in the freezer. So I don't need that feature where you can convert your Haakaa into a milk bottle. But if that's your intention, if you're planning on feeding your baby right away, then the Gen 3 would probably be great for you because you can remove the flange and replace it with the Haakaa teat or nipple that comes with the set. You immediately have a milk bottle, zero transfer waste, and less cleaning. However, just be mindful that your baby, or well, most babies are quite picky with the teat that they're drinking from, so just be mindful of that. No guarantees. I'm sure most of them will be fine with it, but there is the risk that your baby may reject the Haakaa teat. The other thing is the suction base. With the Gen 2, it has the suction base. The Gen 1 and Gen 3 do not have the suction base. So if you're a klutz like me, if you're always knocking onto tables, then the suction base is a lifesaver. The next thing is cleaning. With the Gen 1 and Gen 2, it's really simple. Just stick your brush in and clean because it's just one piece like that. With the Gen 3, you're going to have to disassemble it and then wash the parts. Then it comes to the question of size. Which size should I get, even if you've decided on Gen 2 or Gen 3? Let's just throw Gen 1 out of the window. I think it's either Gen 2 or Gen 3. With myself, because I'm using the smaller version of the Gen 2, it collects only up to 4 ounce. And I'm totally fine with that because I only get about 1 to 3 ounce each feed. If you are an overproducer, then you probably need the larger size. I do have friends who get over 4 ounce each feed, and that is amazing. So they need the larger size of the Haakaa. I also want to talk about how to suction this, the best way to suction this. The best way is to fold the flange down, squeeze the base, pop it on, unfold it. But honestly, if you only have one hand available, because most of the time your other hand is holding on to the baby, if you only have one hand available, what I do most of the time is I just squeeze this and pop it on and it works just fine. It's only recently, I think my baby is 5 months old right now, and it's only been recently that she has become aware of the Haakaa. So she's feeding on one side, and then she realizes that, hey, there's this fun, dangly, silicone, rubbery, fidget toy right next to me. I can play with it. So she's feeding on one side and she'll be playing with the Haakaa. So I've started to do this folding thing to get a stronger suction. If I notice that she's being fidgety, while feeding. So you get really strong suction with this folding method, and you get more milk because of the stronger suction. Another thing that she has started to do is she would bring her fingers up to the opening and pry it open so it just pops off. And I've had a few incidents where it's popped off and it's fallen onto the ground and all the milk has spilled out. So if I notice her, beginning to move her fingers up, I would have to hold on to the Haakaa. Now, pros and cons. With the Gen 2, it's much simpler, it's easier to use, and it's got this suction base at the bottom. You can't convert it into a milk bottle, which is fine for me because the extra milk that I've collected through the Haakaa is kept in the freezer for next time use. With the Gen 3, you can convert it into a bottle, so there is zero transfer waste and less of a bottle to clean. Another thing with the Gen 3 is that they come in larger sizes, so you get a stronger suction. And with the stronger suction, because of the stronger suction, you get more milk out of the Gen 3. However, when it comes to cleaning, you have to disassemble it and wash each part separately. So it's a bit more of a hassle compared to the other versions. So that's it. I hope this video has been helpful to you. I will be making more videos. And if you want to keep on watching, please like and subscribe. Thank you.